Okay, gang, let's go inside.
Maybe we ought to wait here, in case Jerry comes out.
Wouldn't you say this lobby was a bit over-decorated?
Let's have a look in the theater.
Come on!
Pretty Mary Sunlight, she's all right with me. Pretty Mary Sunlight, she's everything I need.
Well, as long as he keeps singing, it's like we got a friend with us. Looks like we just lost a friend.
Jerry! Jerry Reed! Jerry Reed! Jerry Reed! Jerry
Reed! Okay, Scooby, let's not lose touch. Scooby! Scooby-Doo! Hey, Scooby, you see Jerry up there?
No.
Then what are you doing up there? Didn't I tell you to stay in touch?
In touch.
Come on now, and stay close. Watch your step, Scooby, and stay in touch. Ouch! Watch your step, Scooby. Don't run into the tree.
Tree?
The tree you just met. Okay, Scooby, let's get the show on the road. Stay in touch. Now get hold of my hand. Yo! Scooby-Doo! Which way did he go?
Go?
The tiger!
What tiger?
That tiger! Hey, Scooby, it sounds like it's coming through that door.
Yeah.
Well, I guess we got to break it down like they do in the movies.
Them girls were made for kissing.
Don't worry, Jerry. We'll have you out in a jiffy.
To look around, 'cause I'm in heaven. Since I found my Pretty Mary Sunlight, she's all right.
Scooby, why'd you turn off the light?
Me? Not me?
Uh-oh. Let's get out of here!
Well, now, you forget I'm opening tomorrow. Now, I got to limber up these fingers and these vocal cords.
Everybody just keep calm and nothing will happen.
Wanna bet?
Whoop.
What's going on here?